Hi, Dr. Yerline here, and welcome to a guided concept map on viral structures and replication. Our goal for the unit is to learn about human microbe relationships, and viruses are a big part of our course, so we're just going to get a simple introduction to the structures and replication of viruses. So pull out a piece of paper or some sticky notes or flashcards and build this concept map right along with me. I like using your printed flashcards or sticky notes because it allows you to move the terms around rather than writing it out and then needing to erase if there are topics that change and shift as you learn more. But you get to choose, so do what you think will help get your brain engaged the most. So we divided this topic into structure and replication. Let's start with the structure of viruses. This means the structures that they have, what they look like. All viruses have two structures. Go ahead and look at these concept terms and see if you can map those on. Okay, so the answer is all viruses have a nucleic acid, and that nucleic acid is either RNA or DNA. And this is a major way we classify viruses, like coronavirus as an RNA virus, HIV as an RNA virus. Another structure that all viruses have is a capsid. And this is made of protein, and it encases or protects that nucleic acid. Viruses have a much more simple structure than what we learned about for bacteria, and probably what you learned about for human cells or plant cells in a biology class. All right, we've covered the nucleic acid and capsid as the structure that all bacteria or viruses have. All right, so there are some other structures, two others that they may have. All right, are you ready to check your understanding? Viruses may have enzymes, and they may have an envelope. Both of those are optional, but they can make a difference in helping the virus to infect, so we'll learn more about it later in this unit. Okay, so the last two are replication, and now we can slide these key terms down. There's the lytic and the lysogenic cycles that were introduced in this topic. This concludes the most simplified, boiled down version of the key things that we learned for viral structures and replication. We learned that all viruses have nucleic acid, either DNA and RNA, that nucleic acid is encased in a protein capsid, and some viruses can have enzymes and an envelope that may help them infect, and that viruses can replicate through two basic ways, the lytic and the lysogenic. Thanks for watching. I encourage you to pause, study something else for a few minutes. It's only been 3 minutes on this topic. Give yourself a break. Come back. Can you draw this concept map out by yourself? If you can, give it a day or maybe even 3 days. Come back to it and see so that you are enhancing your retrieval of this content. Thanks for watching. Bye.